Hopper's Hobbies. Hello, my name is Hopper, and I have many hobbies. Hobbies are things that I like to do when I have free time. When I am outside, I like to fly my kite. I also like to ride my bike. I do not like riding a bike by myself. I like to go swimming with my friends when it is hot. I play sports outside with my friends too. We like to play soccer and basketball. Sometimes I cannot go outside, but it is okay because I have many hobbies I can still do inside. When I am inside, I can sit and watch movies. I can eat and read a book. I like to listen to music in my room when I do not go out. I like to help my mom cook. I like to play the piano, and I also like to play the guitar. Sometimes I like to dance by myself, but I think dancing with friends is more fun. There are many hobbies that I have. I can do them inside or outside. What are your favorite things to do?